Hey, it's Ari here. How you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. In today's video, I want to talk specifically about why you should never reinvent the wheel when you're looking to build any sort of online business. So a lot of people when they're first coming online, this is including myself actually, for a very long time I thought that I had to be different than everyone else. I had to, you know, start something that would be completely unique and something that someone else has never really attempted before. So, what exactly did I do when I first got started online? Well, interesting story actually. I initially, when I was first getting into affiliate marketing, that's really how I got started online is through affiliate marketing. What I actually did is I started up this niche website around something that I was passionate about. It was a gaming website, and what I did was for my first year online, I tried to promote video games online. Now, video games is a fairly big industry, and a lot of people, millions of people are, they play video games every now and then. But um, what I was trying to do was I was trying to make a profitable business through promoting video games, on sites like Amazon and eBay. So I would sign up to those two affiliate programs, and I was recommending certain games like on the PS4 and Xbox One. So this is something that I worked on for my first year online, pretty much. When I first got started online, I was building up this website where I was pretty much just reviewing games that I was playing. And this is something that, in the beginning, I was very excited about because, it was something that I thought I was, passionate about. And if I, follow your passion and, really focusing on building a site that I felt at the time was really unique compared to a lot of other sites, this was what's going to allow me to have, you know, above average results. But ultimately, I kind of learned this the hard way. After focusing on that for pretty much a whole year, I realized that I understood why there wasn't really anyone else doing this. There wasn't really that many other people, doing the same exact thing as me. I mean, I know that there's plenty of other people who, review that products in that same category. But what I was actually trying to do is I was building it where it was like a super niche website where I was promoting games that were on like a lower budget. So pretty much what I was focusing on is, because video games are something that tend to be, more kind of expensive to a lot of people. My first online business was trying to recommend games that were on a low budget and I thought were worth picking up. It was a very just weird idea that I had, but at the time I thought it was a really good idea because I thought it was unique compared to everyone else, and I thought that if I talk about games that aren't just coming out, but ones that have already been out and you know have lots of good reviews, I thought that I would be able to really make this thing work and get consistent sales coming in. But what I quickly realized, well, I don't want to say quickly, but after like a full year, I realized that the earning potential really wasn't that high. I mean, think about it. I was promoting products off of Amazon's affiliate program, mostly Amazon's affiliate program, sometimes eBay is what I would use. But ultimately, when you are promoting products off of Amazon, you have to remember that the commission rates for sales you make through Amazon's affiliate program are generally very low. You can get up to like 10% commission at maximum. That's at maximum. And so when you're first starting, you are like around, maybe like 3 to 6% commission rate. So really think about that. If you're selling products that are like, $30 or lower on average, and you make, one sale and it makes you like a 3% commission rate, well, that's like less than $1 per sale you made. And because I was pretty much never able to really make this thing work and really generate sales, I would have been, pretty. If I would have continued going along with that, I potentially could have been spending hours, months, slaving away at this website, pretty much working for peanuts, pretty much. So I'm glad that after a year, I finally recognized that maybe it wasn't the best option for me as someone who was just getting started. Now, what I would personally recommend is I would recommend looking at those who have the results you want. So, for instance, if you want to do affiliate marketing, you really got to think, okay, what is it that's going to allow me to really get the results, coming in, like, I mean, not like overnight, but, much quicker than, what I was trying to do in the beginning. And what I would recommend is you pick a niche that is already booming, that is, it's got, people are looking for answers in that niche, and, there's products in that niche that are well established and are well needed in the marketplace. So something that I used to think was, well, maybe I shouldn't do the make money online niche because there's so much competition in that niche. There's so many people trying to do that same, trying to promote products in that niche. And, I thought, well, if I'm just getting started, maybe I shouldn't start in that niche. But I realized that the reason why there's so much competition in that niche is because that is proof that, that niche is booming. It's a niche that, there's a much higher earning potential, and, products that you promote in that niche generally will pay out much higher than, say, promoting products off of Amazon. So if you decide to, promote products off of like ClickBank, it'd be a lot easier to, get up to that, that full-time income amount that you are really looking for, because, ClickBank generally pays out, much higher in commissions per sale. So anywhere from, $30 per sale to 100, maybe even more than that, depending on what it is you are promoting. And what I recommend is you don't try to be unique. You don't try to, reinvent the wheel. What I highly suggest you do is first start with, modeling what actually works. If you see someone getting, great results in a particular product that they're promoting, and you see that they are, really doing well, what I would highly suggest you do is, follow in their footsteps and try to model what it is that they're doing. So if they're promoting a product, like a high ticket product or something like that, and it's getting them good results, what I would do is I would follow them, follow what it is that they're doing, and then see if you could model exactly their strategy on, how they market that product. So think about it this way: when you go and you buy a product from them, if they're like promoting like a high ticket product, and you decide you want to check it out yourself, like if it's some sort of like um, training on how to, like build a business online, or if it's something related to the health and wellness niche, what you could do is you can go through their process of actually buying the product from them and really take note of, what is it that they are doing to get you to buy that product. Do they have YouTube videos up, where they explain what the product is all about? Do they have a sales funnel set in place that, it takes you through a very specific linear process? These are things that you got to think about, because when you really focus on this is what's going to allow you to really get a much better understanding of, what actually works and what will allow you to produce consistent results. So I would personally, I recommend, don't try to, invent the wheel. You don't have to be completely unique when you are just getting started. I think when you are first getting started, the very best thing you could do, the smartest thing you could do for sure, is not being, some unique snowflake, but modeling what actually works. So that's my message that I wanted to share in this video. Hopefully you found this message helpful. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. Feel free to, share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit. And if you'd like to learn how you could build a profitable business online through affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever online business you are looking to build, there will be that free webinar you can get access to. That link will be in the description. And that will show you how to pretty much be your own independent marketer, where you can pretty much succeed in any niche, because this training focuses on teaching you the right skills necessary in order to have those long-term results. So again, hopefully you found this helpful. Be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Share this with anyone whom you feel could benefit, and take care.